Best Binomo promo codes. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in shipthedeal.com. Once done, you will land onto a page like this. Here search for Binomo and you can get up to 90% off on this website. In order to get the coupon, all you have to do is show coupon code. And once done, copy the code, that way you can redeem it. Now the second website we have is wethrift.com. At the search bar of your web browser, type in www.wethrift.com and search for Binomo. You can also see the date of expiration. In my case, that is August 2024. Now simply copy the code and redeem it. Last but not the least, we have is dealspotr.com. At the search bar of your web browser, type in www.dealspotr.com and search for Binomo. Now let's go ahead and copy this code, and you can simply open up your Binomo app or web browser and paste it while redeeming. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.